Alright, welcome back. So I've had a little time to play with my new toys, and, excuse me, one of those toys is that DeWalt quadruport, which I unboxed recently. And so far so good. The two ports on the right of the regulator are line pressure, so that would be pressure right from whatever you've got it plugged into. And then the two ports to the right that are at left that are at right angles to each other, to the left of the regulator, are regulated, so you can change the pressure up to 200 psi for that. So just to play around with it, I've got it hooked up to my 27-gallon air compressor from Craftsman, and one line is line pressure from there, and the other line is regulated from the DeWalt, and they go into these guys. This air drill, which I just recently bought, and this air ratchet that was part of a set that I got from Craftsman. See if I can get a better angle here. This is not too... because that's going to be upside down. Okay. So I really like this air drill. I never had one before, and it's a lot of fun. So the chuck works like any other chuck, almost any other chuck, just your standard, turn one way to loosen, another way to tighten, and you can put a drill bit in there, or you can put in one of these adapter pieces that'll take those hex type bolts, or hex type screws. Not screws, what am I talking about? These things. Okay. So cool. So what's great is that there's really hardly any torque that I can feel. So really great, smooth. I just love drilling with this thing. I've only drilled some practice holes with it, but excellent. So you can do forward and reverse with this. And that's it. I mean, it's really nice and light. Much lighter than a drill with a battery. And has a variable speed trigger. It's a lot of fun. And just by comparison, the air ratchet's a little bit louder. So that's pretty cool. And so you saw the unboxing of this drill. I love working with it. And I haven't drilled anything but these practice holes. So we'll see how it goes through metal and all that. But just a quick update on that drill and the regulator or quadruport from DeWalt. Thanks for watching. There's one other little test I wanted to do, which is trying to drive a screw instead of just drilling a hole. I was remarkably surprised at how easy this went in.